Welcome to Accounting Tutorial Online Class. For today, we will have 10 set of questions to answer regarding liability. So I hope you guys are able to watch yung lesson natin about what is liability, the basics of it. There are two sets of lessons about that. And if you haven't watched it, go ahead and browse the videos on this page or in this YouTube channel before taking this one, okay? But before that, I want to introduce Accounting Tutorial Online Class. So this tutorial online class is a digital platform where you can learn about the basic accounting, the accounting concepts explained in a very practical way. And again, this is a digital platform wherein you can attend your class anytime because this is recorded and also, you can use your gadgets to learn. Okay, all you have to do is plug it in, visit our page, and take your time and take notes on what is being taught of you. Okay, just a favor from my end, please go to our Facebook page. Please search Accounting Tutorial Online Class and like our page, share also this to your friends, classmates, and relatives to support us, okay? So this is Carly, your accounting tutor for today. So we will discuss about, we'll have a quiz, okay, on regarding the liability. Tara, let's go. Okay, here. Yeah, so instructions. So we have to indicate the effect on the accounting equation or at least on the effect on the liabilities of certain business transactions that I will read here. Okay. So let's do this. All right. Number one, the owner invests personal cash in the business. So normally, pag nag-invest ba, ano yung entry na ginagawa kapag may investment? Yung mismo owner, it's the owner. Okay? So, it would be a debit to cash and a credit to capital. So, asan ang effect na yan sa liabilities? Kasi yun yung question natin, no? So, is it increase, decrease, or no effect? So, okay, the answer is letter C. There's no effect on the liabilities because with these entries, there is no involvement in terms of liabilities. Clear? Okay. Number two. Okay. Okay, number two. Yan, okay. The owner contributes his or her personal truck. The owner na naman. Okay? But this time, nag-contribute naman siya personal truck to the business. Baka trucking business ba to? Or selling of maybe goods na in bulk. So let's just assume. So nag-contribute siya. So ang ginawa, okay, so we have to what will be the effect on the liability on this one. Okay, so personal truck naman yung inano niya. Yung in-invest, parang in-invest, di ba? Contribute na sa business. So, debit, equipment, kasi truck, ano na. Yan, equipment, and credit to capital. Okay, question is, ano yung effect niya sa liability section? So, looking at the entries, looks like there is no effect on the liability. Kasi hindi na naman involved sa liability section. Okay? Yan, identify natin. So, this time, number three, the owner withdraws cash. Okay? withdraws cash from the business for personal use. Okay, so what will be our entry for this? So nag-withdraw siya. So debit, drawing, and then ano yung kinuha niya? Will be cash, right? Bawasan tayo ng cash. So with this entry again, what's the effect on liability? No effect on liabilities. Okay, easy now? Okay, all right. Let's proceed with number 4. Okay. Number 4. The company receives cash from a bank loan. Ayan. So, naka-receive na siya ng cash. So, ano yung entry natin dyan? Debit, cash. So, we receive the cash. And then credit, a loan payable. Ayan na. So, kung nanood kayo ng video about the concepts and liabilities, you would be able to encounter this. So, company receives cash. So, sabihin, nagkaroon ng impact sa liability on this one. So, the answer is, nagkaroon tayo ng increase in liability. Okay? There you go. And again, your loan payable can be either current or non-current. It depends on the maturity or it depends on the coverage. Okay? All right, so number 5. Number 5, the company repays the bank that had lent money. Okay, so nagbayad na siya. Okay, so ibig sabihin, nabawasan yung loan payable. Okay, so nagbayad, nabawasan din yung cash mo. Okay, so in this case, ang effect niya sa liability is a decrease. So the answer is B, decrease in liabilities. Okay? Yan ha. So intindihin lang natin yung nature ng transaction. So ayan na, nag-repay siya. Nagbayad siya. Alright. Next, number 6. Then, the company purchases equipment with its cash. So, nabili ka na ngayon ng equipment. So, paano mo siya i-record? Mag-debit ka ng equipment. Okay. And then, paano mo siya binili? By cash. Okay. So, dahil by cash siya, looking at this transaction, this is both on the asset. So, wala siyang impact sa liability natin. So, the answer is letter C. No effects on liability. So, guys, if you would, yung mga ganito kasing transactions, you always have to, you're not required to do the entries, but it's requirement, kumbaga para mas madali mong maiintindihan kung ano yung isasagot mo if you draw or if you write down ano yung supposedly na entry para hindi ka malilito on what will be the effect on each account. Kasi sometimes pwede ang question is increase ba in liability or decrease in assets. But this one, since we're focusing muna sa liability, I trick a bit our quiz para mag-focus lang tayo on how it impacts the liability. All right? Okay, next. Number 7. Okay. The company purchases a significant amount of supplies on credit. Okay, purchase. Meaning we are going to receive supplies, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do, you are going to debit your supplies and then, or inventory. Yan. Oh, and then yung credit, ang sabi niya dito is, on credit, meaning, hindi natin siya binayaran ng cash. So it could be accounts payable. So you can see the nature already impacts the liability section and it's on the credit side, which is normal balance. So the answer is letter A. increase in liability. Okay? Next. Next is number 8. Ayan. The company purchases land by paying, so purchase na naman siya ng land, okay? By paying half in cash and signing a note payable for the other half. So looks like dito pa lang meron na tayong clue, no? Nag-set up na siya sa mismong problem statement about payable. So looks like kung shortcut method ako, hindi ko na i-entry, pwede ko nang sabihin na increase na ako ng liabilities. But, so long term, long cut muna, we are to debit that. So you purchase mo, and you are to credit the cash for the half. Pwedeng compound entry. Okay, and then, say for example, ito yung 100% amount. Okay, and then another credit for notes payable, which is the amount of 50% kasi sabi na half and half yung ginawa ng purchase. That's why we are increasing the liability here. Okay, even without this, since nakita mo na to, but of course, make sure you understand what it is saying, ha? Baka mamaya it says differently dito, hindi naman Persians. So you have to be careful now. Okay? Questions so far? All right. Okay. Next. Number 9 and 10, let's just try to have a very simple problem. Okay, now let's read that. C4's Inc. provides consulting services to CY Company in May. So C4's Inc. bills CY Company in May for the amount of 5,000. So siya yung nag-bill. Okay, so the sales invoice shows that the amount will be due in June. So it looks like it has a 30 days terms. Hindi man nakasulat dyan, but assuming, by reading the problem, it's May and June, you know that it has a 30 days coverage. Now the question, ano daw, what is the effect on CY companies accounting or books in May when CY records the transaction as a debit to consultant expense and a credit to accounts payable? Ayan na. Again, parang yung kanina, hindi mo kailangan, you don't need to do an entry anymore for shortcut. Ayan. Kasi sinabi na mag-entry na nga siya, dito. And this is already liability. Okay, as long as you know what are the accounts under that section, mas madali na for you to identify. So that means the answer for number 9 is a increase in liability. Okay, all right, and last but not the least, number 10. What is the effect on CY company's books, okay? In June, ayan na, in June na, when CY company remits 5,000. Kasi nag-set up na siya ng payable kanina. And then, okay, and then also which accounts will be involved. So let's just try to do an entry. So nagbayad na siya nung sinet up ng liability noong June. Kasi noong May, debit expense siya, and then credit 80, di ba? Hindi ko lang in May ito. Expense, oops, sorry. Debit expense and credit 80, setting up lang okay. 4,000. Okay, in June, which is ito yung problem, nagbayad na siya. So, sabihin, pinawasan, I'm sorry, teka lang, second. Oops. So, nagbayad na siya. So, sabihin, nabawasan mo na si payable mo ng 5,000. And then, dahil binayaran mo na, nabawasan ka ng cash. Okay? Sa account BCY, BCY company. So, what is the effect ng June? Yan. And yan, ayan, nakikita natin ito yung liability. Nagkaroon ng debit transaction. So, meaning, the answer will be, nagkaroon siya ng decrease in liability. Kasi, ito, kapag nasa credit side siya, it's an increase. Pag sa debit side siya, it's a decrease. Okay? All right. So that's it for today. We have those 10 questions for your quiz to just check your knowledge about liability. And again, by the way, this is accounting tutorial online class. Discussing about the liability quiz for today, and a favor from your end again, make sure to follow our page or like our page. Find it in Facebook, accounting tutorial online classes, and we will see you again on our next topic. Bye. See you.